Well, howdy folks. Hope everybody's having a good day. Today we're going to review something because I'm working on this YL2 and I thought this would be a good time and we got some decent weather. This is one of those little sandblasting, you put it on your pressure washer, and this is a Selkie. I got it off Amazon. It was like 33 bucks. So we're going to test this thing out with some play sand. So let's see what's in the package here. We got some safety glasses. We got a section of hose, which I'm guessing is going to go in the sand box. We have the end that goes in the sand box, or bucket I should say. It comes with 4 clamps, screw-on type. So no tool required, which is kind of nice. It comes with some extra porcelain inserts, and then it comes with the pressure thing itself. Already has an end on it, right there, and comes out here, and the hose goes right here. There are no instructions on this thing, so, but I don't think it's too much of rocket science. So we're going to set those pieces aside. We don't need those right now. And let's undo our hose here. And then we'll test it up and see how it works. Hopefully. I have lowered expectations for this, honestly. But, you know, for 32 bucks, yeah, you can't really beat it. So, if it works somewhat. Well, that's on there. You may want to put a little bit of, I don't know, like, I guess one could use spit. But let me grab some PB Blaster, my favorite lubricant for everything, and we'll just put a little bit on there. And just help that hose go up there. That should help it a little bit. Okay. I don't know how far we should put this thing up here, but we'll wind it up a bit. This is the suction side, so we'll put our clamp on. Okay, so we got that on. And remember to put your clamp on first. And we'll lube up this side a little bit. And we'll push this one down on here. Okay. Well, I didn't expect too much, and one of those little things broke already. So, pair of pliers it is. The Nippics, or however you pronounce that. Yeah. That should be good enough. Okay, now I'm guessing this whole wand needs to be inserted. No, I don't know. Doesn't say, but we're going to find out. So let me move us over to where I'm going to have the sand bucket and the pressure washer. So, back in a second. Alright, pardon the noise, but I got the pressure washer going. Alright, so we got a shock, which I highly doubt that's going to do anything. And we got these 2 other pieces here. I've still got the frame in the garage. right, let's see how the damage is to the camera. It doesn't look bad. Okay, first impressions. Does it work? Yes, it does. And it works fairly well when it's continuously sucking up the sand, but you're constantly having to reposition the sand, the wand in the sand. And you want to keep your bucket a little farther away, I guess, to keep it from getting moisture in it. So, but it does work. So, I don't know what else to say about it. This doesn't have to be perfect. I mean, I'll probably lightly touch it up anyway, or check it out once I'm done. But yeah, there you go, guys. This is the Selkie sandblasting pressure washing device. And as you can see, this does work fairly well. You know, like I said, especially when it's, you know, definitely pumping out the sand, it works good. So, but my main goal with this is just to get the bulk of the paint, the grease, and that stuff off of it. And then I can check it out, you know, fine sand it by hand a little bit more if I need to, prime it, paint it, and call it a day. So that's going to wrap this up. I definitely think it works. Works like it's supposed to. I haven't tried any other media. I'm kind of curious to see if the soda blasting media would work in this thing. So I may give that a shot as well. But anyway, hey, thanks for watching this, and I hope you got something out of it. Thought I'd add a little bit onto this. I got the machine put up and everything. So, you know, my thoughts on this. Does it work good? It actually does work pretty good. The only issue I really had with it is keeping the sand flowing. Your sand needs to be super dry. I bought that sand over the summer, and I had it in a 5-gallon bucket and just let it sit there and dry and dry and dry. So, and I'd turn it around. So you plan on doing that, you know. This is a small bike, so it didn't take even a bag of sand. But if you're doing something big like a, you know, a car hood or, you know, side of a car or something like that, yeah, definitely it's going to go through quite a bit of sand. If you have any electronics or anything on it, obviously I had mine double bagged and taped up with a Walmart bag, and yet you still get a little bit of water inside there. So, you know, once you're done, immediately take your bags off, blow it off with an air compressor, you know, and get any moisture out of that. Overall, I say it works pretty good for 32 bucks. And I just use play sand. I know you can use all kinds of different media for blasting stuff, but play sand is cheap, and that's what I decided to use. And like I said, as long as it's flowing the sand good, it'll chew the paint off pretty good. So if you have a tank, you know, something like that, or a, you know, a bigger thing like the bike, which, you know, underneath it they get so much grease and everything built up on it. That was my main objective with using this. Not so much necessarily to strip all the paint off. I'll sand it still anyway. But I wanted to get all the heavy grease and stuff like that off of it instead of sitting there with a screwdriver, scraper, and, you know, paint remover, tar remover, grease remover, you know, and wasting all that stuff. When this works just fine as long as you got a pressure washer, and I'm guessing it would work fine with an electric one too. I forget. I think mine's a 2500 psi, and it worked plenty fine for that. So. Anyway, you know, I don't think for 32 bucks you can go wrong with it. Is it the highest quality? Yeah, you seen the clamp right away broke, but, you know, who doesn't always have worm clamps lying around, so I can throw one on it. And I didn't have any of the hoses pop off, so that was a plus. But anyway, that's my thoughts on it, and I got it specifically for these bikes and getting the grease and crap off like that. And fortunately, I had a nice enough day here in southeast Indiana to get the pressure washer out and give it a try. So hopefully you guys did get something out of this, and I will put a link in the description to the particular item that I got on Amazon. Not a sponsor, paid for it myself. And it's just my honest review on it. So, and for those of you watching the YL2 video, you will see the frame and what I've done, you know, the other part. Well, actually, you guys seen the other part, so it's basically just the frame. So anyway, have a good one, guys, and I'll see you on the next video.